Translations are very important to learn English well. Therefore, learn the rules of the translations and more word meanings. Although English is not our mother language, but it is very important for us. Now, translate this paragraph into Hindi. It is well said that the feet of a man. These are given. First time I have given this is for the second is given for you. Learning the more and more words by the you can learn the English very well attentively. This one is given before next is the passage to translate into Hindi. Most of the troubles of the present day world arise from the fact that instead of doing their duty, people blame others for their misdeeds. आज के अधिकांश कष्ट इस तथ्य से उत्पन्न होते हैं कि अपना कर्तव्य करने के बजाय लोग अन्य लोगों को उनकी कुकृत्यों के लिए दोषी ठहराते हैं. We ignore our inner voice when we do anything which we should not do. जब हम कोई ऐसा कार्य करते हैं जो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए, हम अपनी आत्मा की आवाज़ को अनसुना कर देते हैं. Thus a vicious circle is created. इस प्रकार एक दुष्चक्र बन जाता है. Everybody blames others. Fall act as a pretext for the wrong committed by him. प्रत्येक व्यक्ति अपने द्वारा की गई गलतियों के लिए दूसरों की गलत कार्यों को दोषी ठहराता है. If this process continues, there can never be peace and happiness in the world. यदि यह प्रक्रिया जारी रही तो संसार में कभी भी शांति और खुशहाली नहीं रह सकती है. अगेन रिपीटिंग दिस. All the students have to write the questions which are given here.